Today I'm going to introduce you the X40 ECONOV from Sulky, specialist manufacturer for seed drills and fertilizer spreaders. So what's new on that machine? We have the X40 ECONOV. ECONOV means section control. Today, on top of the section control, we are also able to offer the patent, which is a unique patent on that machine, the speed control. The speed control is actually adjusting the working width depending on the working speed. Because we found that faster you drive and wider you spread. So this machine is able, having a special software, to adjust the working width according to the working speed. So that's really top of the range on the Sulky spreaders. It means that when you go in a field with a different angular, a different shape, the machine will automatically adjust the working width thanks to an electric actuator to change the placement point on the disc. So by changing the placement point on the disc, we are able to change the working width. It's a very logical, simple, and fertilizer, gentle with fertilizer to vary the working width on the Sulky spreader. That's the DNA of the Sulky spreader. Simplicity, quality, and accuracy. On that machine, of course, it's also equipped with a weighing system. The weighing system will give you an automatic calibration. We are using one single 10-ton sensor to make sure that the machine will always calibrate on the move. So you don't have to stop. You can just run and go spreading up to 25K today. Because we found out that having tractors using Vario gearboxes, now more and more farmers are driving faster in the field for spreading. So the ECONOV, in addition with the speed control technology, will give you the possibility to go faster and spreading wider and faster. That machine also is having a special treatment on the paint. We always pay a lot of attention to the quality of the machines. So we are offering a 7-year warranty on the paint. That's very unique on that machine. Okay? After special features, we are using also a simple and very efficient device for border control. It's called the 3-board system, as you can see here. It is written on the electric actuator. The 3-board system is using the same principle as the placement point. It means that we change the placement point on the disc using a small vane. The small vane is the 3-board vane, and the 3-board vane will actually reduce the working width on the right-hand side and optional on the left-hand side. Yeah? That machine is using PTO shaft in addition to electric actuators. The electric actuators will control the rate, the working width, and the border control. So that machine is really plug and play and very user-friendly. So there is nothing more simple than a Sulky spreader. You can just plug it into an Isobus terminal, into a Sulky terminal. It will be running on old and new tractors without any issues. Thank you for watching.